In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a parent row in Smartsheet. To get started, open the Smartsheet sheet where you want to build your structure. This is the sheet that contains the tasks, items, or categories you want to organize more clearly. Parent rows are useful because they let you group related rows together, making large sheets easier to read, manage, and collapse when you want a cleaner view. Once your sheet is open, add a new row that will serve as the main category or parent task. Think of this row as the heading for a group of related items. You'll want to give it a clear name so it's easy to recognize later. This parent row will sit above the rows you want to organize underneath it. Next, place the related rows directly below that parent row. The order matters here because Smartsheet creates hierarchy based on position. If the rows are not directly under the parent, they won't indent into the correct section. So before moving on, take a moment to make sure the rows you want grouped are sitting immediately beneath the main category row. After that, select the related rows you want to turn into child rows. Be careful to select only the rows that belong under that parent. This is the key step that tells Smartsheet which rows should become part of the grouped hierarchy. With those rows selected, click the indent button. As soon as you do that, Smartsheet will shift the selected rows slightly to the right, visually placing them under the parent row. This creates the parent-child relationship. It's a simple action, but it makes a big difference when organizing project plans, task lists, or grouped sections in a sheet. Now check that the selected rows have moved under the parent row correctly. You should be able to see that they are nested beneath the main row, indicating they are now child rows. If something doesn't look right, it usually means the rows were not positioned correctly before indenting, so it's worth confirming the layout. Once the hierarchy is in place, you can use the plus or minus icon next to the parent row to expand or collapse that section. This is especially helpful when your sheet starts getting longer because you can hide the details and focus only on the high-level categories when needed. That's how you create a parent row in Smartsheet. It's a quick way to keep your sheet organized, improve readability, and make navigation much easier as your work grows.